and gentlemen, it's now time to actually throw the spotlight on sculptures of sorts. And I'm sure that you're going to be very encouraging with your response by putting your hands together for each of the awardees as they walk up on stage. To do the honors and to present the award, I'd like to invite our chief guest for this evening back on stage. Please put your hands together as I invite Dr. Thomas Matthew to please join me on stage to do the honors. I'd also like to invite Mr. Avik Sarkar and Mr. Venkataraman to please join Dr. Matthew on stage and do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to honor and recognize the winners of the Business World Best Mutual Fund Awards. Our first category this evening is Best Equity Fund Large Cap. These are the funds that allocate 80 to 90% of investors' money in India's blue chip companies. Let us take a look at the nominees. The nominees are Franklin India Blue Chip Fund, HDFC Index Fund Sensex Plus, and ICICI Prudential Growth Plan Institutional One. And the winner is Franklin India Blue Chip Fund. May I request Mr. Siddhartha Bhattacharya of Franklin Templeton Asset Management Company to receive the award on behalf of Anand Radhakrishnan, the fund manager for Franklin India Blue Chip Fund. Congratulations, sir. Now it's time for the next category. Best Equity Fund, Large Cap and Mid Cap. Funds that invest between 60 to 80% of money in large cap stocks are classified as large cap and mid cap funds. Let us take a look at the three shortlists. Fidelity India Growth Fund, HDFC Top 200 Fund, and UTI Equity Fund. And the winner is HDFC Top 200 Fund. May I request Mr. Prashant Jain, Executive Director and Chief Investment Officer of HDFC Mutual Fund, to please come on stage to accept this honor. The third award tonight is for the Best Equity Fund, Mid Cap and Small Cap. Funds that allocate less than 40% of their assets to large cap companies are assigned in this category. It's time to take a look at the top three in this category. In this category are Birla Sun Life Dividend Yield Plus, ICICI Prudential Discovery Fund Institutional One, and ING Dividend Yield Fund. And the award goes to ICICI Prudential Discovery Fund Institutional One. May I request Mr. Sankaran Naren, Chief Investment Officer, Equities at ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company, to please come on stage to receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause, please. Congratulations, sir. Moving on. The next award is for the Best Equity Fund, Multi-Cap. Funds that invested 40 to 60% of their average 3-year allocation to large cap stocks qualify for the equity multi-cap category. Let us now take a look at the top 3 funds in this category. The nominees in this category are HDFC Equity Fund, Quantum Long-Term Equity Fund, and UTI Dividend Yield Fund. And the award goes to Quantum Long-Term Equity Fund. May I request Mr. Atul Kumar, Senior Fund Manager at Quantum Mutual Fund, to please come on stage to accept this honor. Congratulations, sir. The 5th award for this evening is for the Best Equity Fund Tax Planning. Saving on taxes has become an art form in India, and mutual funds that are compliant with Section 80C of the Income Tax Act form the equity tax planning category. Set your eyes on the screen as we showcase the top 3 in this category. Category, the shortlists are Canara Robeco Equity Tax Saver, Fidelity Tax Advantage Fund, and HDFC Tax Saver. And the winner is Canara Robeco Equity Tax Saver. May I request Mr. Ritesh Jain to please come on stage and receive this award on behalf of Mr. Anand Shah, the Fund Manager for Canara Robeco Equity Tax Saver Fund. With that, we now move on to the 6th award. This is Best Hybrid Equity Oriented Fund. Hybrid funds give you the best of both worlds, the growth potential of equity combined with the stability of debt. Funds that had an equity allocation of 60% and above were part of this category. Let us take a look at the shortlist. The top 3 in this category are HDFC Prudence Fund, Reliance Regular Savings Balance Fund, and UTI CCP Advantage Fund. And the winner is UTI CCP Advantage Fund. Mr. Anup Bhaskar, the Fund Manager for this fund, has not been able to join us this evening. However, we do invite Mr. Deepak Saluja to please accept this award on his behalf. Congratulations, gentlemen. The next award for this evening is the award for the Best Hybrid Monthly Income Fund. Hybrid funds that had 25% or less of their portfolios allocated to equity qualified in the hybrid monthly income category. Let us take a look at the top 3 in this segment. Shortlists are Birla Sun Life MIP2 Savings 5 MI Plan, HDFC Multiple Yield Fund Plan 2005 and Reliance MIP. And the winner is Reliance MIP. May I request Mr. Amit Tripathi and Ashwini Kumar to please come on stage to receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for all the awardees.